Just Egg is a plant-based egg substitute developed by the company Eat Just, Inc. It's primarily made from mung bean protein isolate, which allows it to mimic the texture and cooking properties of scrambled eggs. Designed to cater to vegans, vegetarians, and those with egg allergies or dietary restrictions, Just Egg offers a sustainable and cholesterol-free alternative to traditional eggs without compromising on taste or versatility in cooking. The primary ingredient in Just Egg is mung bean protein isolate. The mung bean, a legume that has been consumed for thousands of years, contains a protein that, when isolated and processed, can mimic the texture of scrambled eggs. Mung bean protein has unique properties that allow it to gel and coagulate when heated, similar to how chicken egg proteins denature and coagulate during cooking. This gives Just Egg a texture very close to that of scrambled eggs. Other ingredients, like gums and thickeners, might be added to further refine the product's texture. Achieving the flavor of eggs without using them is challenging. Just Egg uses a combination of natural flavors, seasonings, and other ingredients to capture the subtle, savory taste of eggs. Turmeric is also added for color, giving the product the yellow hue characteristic of scrambled eggs. One of the most significant challenges in developing plant-based egg alternatives is achieving the right texture. The mung bean protein's unique coagulation properties, when exposed to heat, allow it to mimic the texture of scrambled eggs. Fine-tuning this property likely involved extensive research and experimentation. The development of Just Egg involves a delicate balance of biotechnological innovation, traditional food processing techniques, and a deep understanding of consumer preferences and needs. It stands as a testament to what modern food technology can achieve in terms of providing sustainable, ethical, and nutritious alternatives to traditional animal-based foods.